you today? I say, hello, hello. How are you today? I'm happy. Let's play. Hello, little champ. Welcome to our unique kids zone. This is Tanuja, your teacher. Here we are going to learn with lots of fun. So get ready for today's session. Before that, tell me one thing. Isn't it a beautiful morning today? Look outside. Mr. Sun is shining brightly, smiling. So all the kids, come on, give me a smile. Come on, show. Little more. Yes, like this. So let's start our today's session. But how to start and what we are going to learn, let me tell you. Today we are not going to sing any rhyme. But today we are going to do few actions. And those actions are, kids, totally different from each other. Different? Yes, like this and this. For example, if I'm happy and I'm sad. Show me your happy face. And now sad. Yes. So, we are going to learn opposite words. At the same time, we will do the action 2. Let's start. Come on. 1, 2. Yes. 3. 4. 5. Yes. 6. Boom, boom, boom. Now start. Come on. Do whatever I am doing. Yes. Do along with me. Shake, roll. Shake, roll. Hop. Now stop. Now all of you show me. Show me how to sit down. Sit down. Down. Very good. Now stand up. So down, up. Yes, up, down, up, down, stop. Go for the next. Now show me big. Come on, show. Big. Now small. Big, small. Now, shake, roll. Shake, roll. Hop. Now stop. Now all of you show me slow. Yes, walk very slowly. Come on. Slow. Now fast. Once again. Slow. Fast. Slow, fast. Very good. Now show me in, out. Now shake, roll. Shake, roll. Hop. Now stop. Now show me open. Come on. Open, shut. Open, shut. Stop. Very good. Now show me tall. Short. Tall. Short. Now stop. Shake, roll. Shake, roll. Hop. Now stop. Go for the next. Show me. Yes. How to say yes? Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. No. Yes. Now say come. Go. Come, go. Shake, roll. Shake, roll. Hop. Now stop. Go for the next. Now show me. Good. Say good. Yes, you all are good, boys and girls. Come on, good. Bad. Good. Bad. Good, bad. Good, bad. Stop. Now show me. Fat. Yes, fat. Thin. Fat. Thin. Fat. Thin. Fat. Thin. Very good. Now shake, shake. Roll, roll. Shake, shake. Roll, roll. Hop, hop. Now stop. Show me your happy face. Come on. Happy, happy. Happy, happy. Happy. Sad. Happy. Sad. Happy, happy. So all the kids, this is the topic we have covered today. We have learned few actions that are totally opposite from each other. So you can also practice this with your parents, your sibling or your friend too. Now I want to show few real objects. Those are totally opposite from each other. Let me show you. Yes, I have a ball. Look at this ball. I have a ball. And the ball is... There another ball. This ball is big. And this one is small. Yes, big, small. Big, small. Now I have two pencils too. Let me show you. Yes, this is a pencil and this is another one. So tell me. Exactly, you are correct. This is tall and this is short. Tall, short. Tall, short. Very good. Now one more thing. Now the pencil is outside. Now look at this. The pencil is in. Yes, in. And now it's out. So these are the things we have learned today. Now it's time to say bye-bye. Come on, say bye-bye. Show me your happy face. Little more? Very good. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye. Bye-bye, bye-bye, bye-bye. I had so much fun. You had so much fun. We all had so much fun. Bye-bye, kids. Bye-bye. Have a good day. Enjoy your day. Bye-bye.